Hey there viewers, are you finding it hard to put down the snacks? Same here. Don't worry though, there is a way out. All you need to do is choose wisely. It's entirely possible to lose weight without dropping all your favorite foods. In today's video, we'll discuss the healthiest snacks recommended by nutritionists. Why mix nuts? Is guacamole a good option? What should you pair it with? How about yogurt and peanut butter? What can you eat with them? We'll be talking about all of this and more. Number 1. Mix nuts. What you choose to snack on has an impact on how you feel later. Snacks loaded with bad carbs and sugar will make you feel hungry much sooner. You'll end up eating more during mealtime. So what is the wisest snacking option? Nuts. They're loaded with nutrients. Even though they're calorie-dense, nuts are an excellent snack option if you're trying to lose weight. There are multiple benefits to eating them. You get healthy fat, protein, and fiber. They also make you feel satiated after eating just a few of them. This means you'll end up eating smaller portion sizes later on. Just remember to eat nuts in moderation. There's scientific evidence that shows that nuts help reduce weight. Prepare a trail mix of various nuts and keep them with you on the go. For example, you can prepare a trail mix by throwing in walnuts, almonds, and pecans. Add cashews and macadamia nuts as well. Boost the nutritional profile by adding flax seeds and sunflower seeds. You already have one super healthy snack ready. They also come with less calories. 1 ounce of nuts only adds 180. Which is your favorite way to eat nuts? Do you eat them on their own or with your salads, smoothies, and oatmeal bowls? Share your preferences with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Red bell pepper with guacamole. While all bell peppers are nutritious, the red variety is particularly high in antioxidants. Red bell pepper has all the vitamin C your body needs, with 1 large pepper giving as much as 300% of your daily requirements. When you pair a red bell pepper with 3 ounces of guacamole, you'll be adding fiber and healthy fat to your diet. This can help you maintain weight. The calorie count from the combo remains under 200. Number 3. Greek yogurt and mixed berries. You can make a healthy and dense snack out of Greek yogurt and mixed berries. Greek yogurt not only has high amounts of calcium and potassium, it also comes packed with protein. Berries are a good source of antioxidants. Eating different colored berries is even better, as you get different types of antioxidants from them. For the maximum benefit, you can add 100 grams of full-fat plain yogurt to 50 grams of mixed berries. You'd get 10 grams of protein for the cost of just 150 calories. Number 4. Apple slices with peanut butter. An apple a day can certainly keep the doctor away. They're rich in fiber and have antioxidants that reduce your risk of heart disease. Peanut butter can also bring down your cholesterol levels. But you still need to eat it in moderation as it's high in calories. You can, however, mix 1 apple with about 15 grams of peanut butter while still keeping your calorie count below 200. Interested yet? Make sure you join the millions of followers and hit that subscribe button for all of our great Bestie content. Number 5. Cottage cheese with flaxseed and cinnamon. All 3 are healthy on their own, but when you combine cottage cheese with flax seeds and cinnamon, you get an incredibly nutritious snack. Cottage cheese is high in protein, while flax seeds are a good source of omega fatty acids. Combine them together. It's good for weight loss and regulating your blood sugar levels. Cinnamon also helps with blood sugar and improves your gut health. You can make a pudding out of these ingredients and consume about 150 calories only. You'll get 15 grams of protein. Number 6. Kale chips. Kale has become popular lately thanks to its incredible health benefits. It has important antioxidants that can bring down your blood pressure and also reduce the chance of colon cancer. If you have 1 cup of raw kale, you'd be giving yourself more than the daily requirements of vitamin A, C, and K. You can make them in the form of chips. Number 7. Celery sticks with cream cheese. If you're looking for a quick snack that's both filling and healthy, combining celery sticks with cream cheese would be a great option. Celery has antioxidants that help reduce inflammation as well as your chances of getting cancer. If you have 5 celery sticks with 2 ounces of cream cheese, you'll be consuming less than 200 calories. Number 8. Dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate comes packed with flavanols that can reduce the risk of heart attack while also managing your blood pressure. But in order to get these awesome benefits, you need to opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Similarly, almonds have the capacity to regulate your blood sugar levels. Research has shown that almonds can reduce your appetite and also aid in reducing your weight. 1 ounce each of dark chocolate and almonds will be around 300 calories, depending on how much cocoa is present in the chocolate. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn more about how to transform your body in as little as 4 weeks. Number 9. Cucumber slices with hummus. Another tasty snack idea is cucumber slices with hummus. Cucumbers have a compound called cucurbitacin C, which has anti-cancer effects. Hummus, on the other hand, can help reduce the risk of inflammation as well as improve your heart health. If you have 1 cup of cucumber slices, which comes to around 52 grams with 100 grams of hummus, you'd still only be consuming about 180 calories. Number 10. A piece of fruit. As silly as it may sound, just having a piece of fruit every now and then can be very helpful to your weight. You'd be less tempted to eat heavier meals. All of this while ensuring you aren't adding too many calories. There are fruits you can carry around wherever you go. These include bananas, apples, pears, and grapes, among others. Number 11. Cherry tomatoes with mozzarella. When you combine cherry tomatoes with mozzarella cheese, you've made yourself a super healthy, super tasty snack. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that reduce your risk of getting cancer and heart disease. Mozzarella cheese comes with large amounts of protein and vitamin B12, which can help improve your good cholesterol levels. About 150 grams of cherry tomatoes combined with 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese still comes under 200 calories. Number 12. Chia pudding. Chia seeds come packed with fiber and are huge in a vegan and ketogenic diet. The seeds are also rich in antioxidants that can reduce your risk of inflammation while also improving your heart health. You can make a pudding out of these chia seeds, which would make a good snack and still keep your calorie intake below 200. Number 13. Hard-boiled eggs. If there's one snack needed for weight loss, it's hard-boiled eggs. They're high in protein and are also a great source of vitamin K2 and B12. Because eggs are very filling, you'd also feel less inclined to snack the rest of the day. This in turn means you eat fewer calories, but still getting 13 grams of protein. Number 14. Baby carrots with blue cheese dressing. Carrots are one of the healthiest vegetables available. They're a great source of carotenoids, which help reduce the risk of cataracts, cancer, and heart disease. To ensure your body absorbs as much carotenoids as possible, it's best to pair carrots with a creamy salad dressing. Blue cheese dressing would be an ideal choice. About 100 grams of baby carrots paired with 30 grams of blue cheese dressing will still only come to around 200 calories. Number 15. A piece of cheese. Just like a piece of fruit, eating a piece of cheese by itself can be beneficial. The common myth is that eating cheese can be bad for your cholesterol. While too much cheese can indeed cause problems, studies have shown that eating 2 servings of cheese per day does not have any harmful impacts on your cholesterol levels. Eating about 60 grams of cheese can give you about 200 calories and as much as 14 grams of protein. Number 16. Healthy beef jerky or beef sticks. Beef jerky is an ideal portable snack high in protein. It can only be a healthy snack though if you're careful enough to choose jerkies that aren't loaded with sugar and preservatives. If the sticks are made with grass-fed beef and don't have too many additional ingredients, that's the best option. Grass-fed beef has more omega-3 fatty acids compared to grain-fed beef. Losing weight ain't no cakewalk, no pun intended, but knowing a few tips and tricks can certainly make a difference. Besides controlling your daily diet, you also need to exercise regularly. But should you do cardio or strength training? Check out 8 tested weight loss tips. Or how about which is better for your weight loss, cardio or weights? Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both, and learn more about how to get in shape. Are you trying to lose weight? Let us know in the comment section below.